Everyone wants to snowball and grow their YouTube channel. That's what we talk about today. How to snowball growth on YouTube. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there, it's the second largest search engine on the internet. Click subscribe. Start creating. There is this grand urban myth that sooner or later, once you hit 100 or 1,000 or 10,000 subscribers or 100,000 views, that YouTube will just snowball you to success because you've hit that landmark and now they'll push you all the way. You made your little snowball and they'll roll it up the hill and down the slope for you. That's a lie. There's a lot of effort that goes into snowballing a YouTube channel. It takes a lot of snow, a lot of pushing, and a lot of analytics. But don't worry, that's what we're going to dive into today. But before I deep dive into this snow with you to create those wonderful snowballs of fun, I want to know, have you noticed any snowballing on your channel? Did you get to a certain milestone? Did you get a specific video that helped peak you and push the rest of your stuff along? Or are you 5, 6, 7 years deep into this YouTube thing and you're completely clueless and you don't know why and how many people have outpassed you and gained so many subscribers and you're still there with your regular 15 and one subscriber called Jeff? Please leave a comment down below. Now, the snowball effect is real, but it's not as easy as you think it happens to be. For you to create said snowball and for you to get it to the top of that hill, for YouTube to slowly roll it down the other side, you have to do a lot of pushing. So I've got a few tips for you. Number 1, publish videos. Now, I know this seems obvious, but the way YouTube works for you and for YouTube is based on learning, based on statistics, and based on improvement. You need to throw out as many videos on YouTube as possible within reason for you to learn. I suggest 2 to 3 videos a week, and then that way each day you can have a look and see how you could improve your last video. What could you tweak? The lighting, the sound, the way you script. Are you on bullet points? Are you talking verbatim from some kind of notepad just off the screen? Or are you like me and you just wing it slightly with a few bits of help? Now, this will help you determine how you make your videos, how quickly you can crank out your videos and how you can make them better. This is effectively letting the snow fall, letting it land, letting it settle, and then you can evaluate it. 2, what is your plan? What's your long-term goal? Are you looking for views or are you looking for subs? Because that's a very defining thing when it comes to how you make your videos and how you angle them. But you need to know what's in your head, because sometimes they can be very separate things. What will get you views may not get you subscribers. Or you may have the views but not the subs, or the subs but not the views. I've done videos on that here, and they'll be in the description as well. So 3, you've now decided that you want views, or you've now decided that you want subs. You've decided which direction you're going in. This is when you start making those snowballs, those first few clumps of snow, and deciding to follow the statistics. Have a look in your analytics. So let's say you're going for things that get you views. You go to your analytics, you have a look at your traffic, and then you have a look at your most viewed video. Okay? Now when you're in there, you have a look at where that traffic source comes from. Maybe what that type of video happens to be. Maybe that video is a tutorial. Maybe that video is how to get the latest, greatest weapon on Destiny 2. That is then the type of videos that clearly people want to see from you to get you views. Or on the flip side, you go into the analytics, you click subscribers. You then order your videos and it will tell you which videos got you the most subscribers. Because I know on this channel, if I talk about how to get subscribers and how to grow a channel, I tend to attract people that are willing to learn and willing to listen, so they subscribe, and then therefore I get subscribers, and therefore I keep making those types of videos if I want to grow my subscriber counts. So 4, depending on your angle, start rolling out the snowballs. If you've got a specific type of video that gets you subscribers and you want to go down the subscriber route, make more like that. For example, in my case, I got a load of views from how to create custom channel URL. It also gets me a load of subscribers. So what I did is I went out my way to make similar ones. So in my head, how to create custom channel URL, that also involves maybe changing your channel name or creating some kind of channel link. Maybe you can't make similar ones, but you could make a follow-up. So maybe one of your videos is how I lost 30 pounds in a summer, and then 2-3 months later, you can have a follow-up. How I'm keeping the £30 off. How I've lost another £10, £15, £20. Or how I struggled with my weight loss. I put it back on and I'm going out my way to fight it off again. Or is that video out of date? Maybe you did it 2 years ago and you want to do an up-to-date version. New tips, new tricks. Maybe it's a tutorial that's now slightly different. So you remake it and then you add those new screenshots, or you add the new software, or it's a new camera, or it's a new piece of makeup and a new style on how to put it on your eyebrow. You can tell I don't do makeup. Or maybe it just needs an update. So maybe you've done the 2017 version, you want to do the 2018 version. All very good reasons to do the same. Possibly even the same title, just a date at the end. It could get you the same amount of traffic. But remember, not all videos react the same way, right? I've done a video on that right here. Not every video will be a smash hit, even if you follow the identical formula. But finally, number 5. Now that the snow has fallen, you've made the balls, you've rolled it around, and the effect is there, you can start building a snowman. The best way to do that is by simply speculating on content. If you know what one video gets you those views, or what one video gets those subscribers, try and make 10 videos around that. Okay? Because maybe all of those 10s will click with it and feed it and put you on playlists, or maybe some won't. But people were interested in that topic to start with, so if you swarm as many things around it, you might start feeding each other things. They might start watching more of those videos, getting you more watch time, sharing you accordingly. Maybe you've approached the video slightly differently in this one to that one, so that video does better than this one. But then you can learn. You can learn why that video and why this video, and maybe once again start feeding off of those, picking up more snow. And not only have you got a snowman, but you've got a blizzard of snow for that snowball effect. And you can start building random snowmen with PewDiePie and Jacksepticeye. What's it? Can't ever really remember his name, but still. But those are my tips on how to push your own snowball effect on YouTube. For more tricks and tips on how to start and grow your YouTube channel, there's a free PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tricks and tips videos. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted when I next go live or publish a video immediately. Go out there, start creating.